Alright guys, welcome to another episode of the Olympus Academy. So today I'll be going through the USDCAD. So I'm looking for potential 100 pips drop. That's right, you heard it, 100 pips. So why? Why am I looking at this? So let's take a look. Next week, we have the overnight rate, which is the Canadian interest rate. So based on past data, December 7, you notice that we had a drop. January 25th, drop. March 8th, it also had a drop. April 12th also had a drop. So next, we are looking forward to June 7th. So let's take a look. So looking at June 7th, I'm actually expecting price to drop quite a nice little 100 pips. So this could be a potential drop that I'm actually looking at. So let's move down towards the H4 charts. So looking at the H4 charts, there's a lot of liquidity just building up right there. So I'll just label it out nicely. Liquidity, hot spots. So liquidity is building up, so I'm actually expecting the cash rate to maintain at 4.5%. Looking for price to continue down, at least clearing out that area. So there is a nice little H4 order block right there, a demand area. So this is an area I'm looking at to take profit, 100 pips. So look out next week for the overnight rate on Wednesday. So yeah, if there are any more questions, feel free to let me know in the chat. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next session.